Hello, good afternoon. This is Tech Guy here. Okay, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, as you said, you in the last class, we'll be having the next topic on the global variables in Python. It's very important concept. If you're going for in Python, we have like advanced Python also. At that time in classes, we'll be using most of the time these global variables. Even though in Python functions concept also we'll be having. So what I'm going to do here, I will take here x is equal to one variable like 100. Okay, this I will define as a global variable. Okay, global variable I will define, and if I want to access this global variable, easily I can access like the global variable example like this I can access. Okay, example I will execute first this, select and execute this one. Here you can see global variable I executed. Now I got the value, the global variable is 100. Yeah, now I will take one function like f, function name is f1. Then I will write here one more variable like x. Here I'll take like y. Okay, okay, and now I'll take here that is 200, value by 200. Here I will take this, the local the local the local variable, the local variable value of is y. Okay, and same thing I will copy here, paste it here. Okay, y and the global variable. Now I'll write here global variable, then I will write x. Now I'll show you one thing. See here, this is the, here you can see this is global variable. Okay, so global variable can we access, our question is global variable can we access outside the class, I mean outside the function or inside the function. So see here, this is global variable, this one I'm accessing outside the function. I'm able to, as I showed you also, even though I will show you one more time. Okay, so here this is function, within the function can I access, so within the function I will execute this one. So see here, okay, I need to call the function here. I need to call the function calling, to do the function calling, this is function calling, and here is the function defining, this is function defining. Yeah, function defining. So now what I'm going to do, I will execute one more time. If I want, as soon as I will call the function, this my function will execute whatever the logics, whatever the written, whatever the content I have written into the function, it will execute. Okay, so here you can see here the local variable. See here, local variable y 200. Here also we can see the local variable y is 200. Right? That means local variable we can access within the function only, right? But see global variable, my global variable value is 100. Here as soon as I written inside the function, see the global variable inside the function also. That means the global variable we can access outside the function also or inside the function also, but the local variable we can access only inside the function only. But most of the time in interview may they can ask you such kind of questions like can we access local variable outside the function or outside the class. So that time we'll be thinking like can we access or not. Yeah, of course we can access, but there is one, we need one concept. That's what I told you, that there is another concept like global keyword. There is the one scope, global keyword will come. So what I will do here, I will take here like global is a keyword and I'll define y is a global. Okay, now I want to access this local variable outside the function. Can I access or not? That means outside the function, outside the function, outside the function, can I access or not? I can access. Yeah, first I will execute entire code. One second, I will execute one more time, then I will execute this one also. Okay, now I will see this one also. You can see global variable. Can I access this? So this one, how much answer should be the local variable? How much is local? 200. 200 I should get, right? See here, you can see. Outside the function also I can access. As soon as I will do the global, then only I can access. If I'm not written any global here, for example, if I'm not written global here, see here, if I comment this line, can I access this one? Okay, so it was the earlier process. Just one sec. Okay, okay, yeah. Because it's taking the whole output. Okay, but as soon as, because for globally the scope will work as a globally, so we need to, without defining global local, if we are accessing local words, that time we need to define as a global only, then only we can access, or else we cannot access. Okay, this much only the concept for local and global variables. Even though we should know the global keywords, it's very important. Global keyword, it comes in the picture when, and it will be using for variables also. Sometimes we can use for the functions also. We want to define some functions inside the like outside the class, inside the class, that time we also can use global. It's a keyword, so it's very useful for in advanced Python. It's will be very important. Okay, this much for today's session, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. Whatever the doubts you have, please ask in the comment section. Bye bye, have a good day.